Welcome to Tag TV. Tonight, we focus on a major shift unfolding quietly in global finance. A shift that could have long-term implications for markets, currencies, and economic power. As uncertainty grips the global economy, central banks across the world are rushing toward gold, driving prices higher. Leading this trend are two major economies, India and China. Both countries are steadily reducing their exposure to U.S. Treasury bonds while increasing their gold reserves. For decades, U.S. Treasuries have been considered one of the safest assets in the world and a cornerstone of foreign exchange reserves. But India and China are now signaling a change in strategy. Instead of relying heavily on dollar-based assets, they are diversifying into gold, an asset seen as stable, neutral, and free from geopolitical risk. India has been gradually trimming its U.S. Treasury holdings while consistently adding to its gold reserves. This reflects a broader effort to balance risk, protect against global volatility, and strengthen financial independence in uncertain times. China's shift has been even more pronounced. Once one of the largest holders of U.S. government debt, Beijing has been cutting back its Treasury exposure for years, while steadily building up its gold stockpile. Analysts view this as a long-term hedge against currency risk, inflation, and shifting global power dynamics. So why gold, and why now? Gold offers central banks a sense of security. Unlike bonds or currencies, it carries no default risk and retains value during financial stress. Rising geopolitical tensions, trade disputes, and concerns over debt levels have all contributed to renewed interest in the precious metal. This global move away from U.S. Treasuries could have wider consequences. Reduced demand may push borrowing costs higher and gradually reshape how reserves are managed worldwide. While the U.S. dollar remains dominant, these changes suggest that major economies are preparing for a more diversified financial future. In essence, India and China's actions reflect a broader recalibration. One focused on stability, sovereignty, and long-term resilience in an increasingly unpredictable world. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.